Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. So today this little box is a kit. Particularly, it's the Card Keeper kit. Stampin' Up! Has many kits available online. You won't find them in the catalog because they're ever changing and ever evolving. As a matter of fact, they've recently started introducing 2 per month. How cool is that? So I was able to get this one. It's called the Card Keeper kit. And basically, it's, I haven't even opened it yet. I just received it yesterday. So it comes with all the components to make cards and also to make the box to hold them in. So let's open this up. One of the things you'll need is a pair of scissors to take off the shrink wrap. Oh, look at this. It's pretty. It's got some leaves with some foiling. Isn't it pretty? So you can toss this out, or you can use it for something else. And then this is the card kits that come with it. I don't want to rip the envelopes. Actually, let's go from this side. And it also comes with the instructions, which I'll get to in just a second. So there's actually techniques that I've seen. I haven't tried it myself, but it actually uses shrink wrap or even bubble wrap. And you kind of just crumple it up, dip it in an ink pad, and then, you know, kind of all over do a background. So one of these days I'll get to that. I've been saving quite a bit of the shrink wrap, but I haven't gotten to it yet. So here we go. So here's all our components. We've got our dimensionals, our glue dots, we've got envelopes. Let's see, I think there should be 8 in here. 2, 3. Nope, looks like there's 10. So 5 of each design. I can say what I was trying to say. You got your card bases. They're already scored. Now, if you really want to, if you got other products, you can certainly cut these in half and use these as backgrounds on another card base. So, but I'm going to do one of each one. And then we've also got our sentiments here that are available in 4 different languages. We have English, German, French, and Dutch maybe. We've got some die cut pieces. All you need to do is punch them out. Same thing with the greetings, some leaves. Got some more of the card bases. Again, you can cut these in half. Here are some more greetings. Let's see, where's the English one? Or is this one the foreign one? I think it's just the foreign one, and then this is the English one. Yeah, this is just the English one. So you've got, okay, English and German on 1, 2, and then you have French and Dutch on the other one. So that's that. We have some vellum cutouts. These are some die cut circles. And we have some gold leafing also available there. You got some chipboard you can save for something. You have your full color instruction sheet. Shows how to assemble the cards and also how to assemble the box. So why don't we assemble the box first? Okay, that seems to be fairly simple, right? Oh, now I see what these are for. Where are they? These are actually the for the index cards. Okay, so let's put that there and this here. All right, so we've got our index cards, and then you would just add, let's see, wow, these are really thick. So let's put birthday on one, and they are adhesive backed, so I don't even need adhesive on these. Birthday, and we have one for love and support. And they look like they're easy enough to even take off and put different ones. You know, you can make your own if you have a label maker. You can always use miscellaneous. That's for the ones that it's like, okay, I'm not sure where this one goes, but we're just going to throw it in there. Seasonal. We have special occasions, which, that's a weird one because honestly, all occasions are special. So, just saying. And then, of course, the much needed thank you. So the ones I use the most, I think, are thank you and birthday. All right, so we've got those done. And these, I don't need these because they're in a foreign language and, well, I probably wouldn't understand it anyway. So these are done. Let's put our box together. It's wedged in here. Come on. There we go. Okay, so it's folded nicely. Just pop it open. Oh, how simple was that? Pull this piece. Let's see, what are we going to do with this piece? Hang on a second. Am I doing this wrong? Looks like it's stuck in here, but it shouldn't be stuck in here. There we go. I was stuck in the side. All right, so we're just going to do this. And then these pieces, here, let's zoom in a little. These pieces here have double-sided adhesive on them, so you just, let's see. Looks like they're saying to put, wow, that's hard to take off. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, that. Oh, that's really strong adhesive. I want to make sure this goes down here. Put that up. And then do the same thing with these other two sides. This is my take your pick tool. And let's do the same thing over here while it's in here. All right. And then you pick up this side, so it's nice and sealed. And that side here, it's perfect. And we'll put these in here. And they fit nicely, nice and snug. The lid just goes right on top. So, all right, that's ready. All right, let's put a couple of these cards together. All right, so we did that. Let's do number 1 first, just because it's first. So let's see, it's telling me to take a sentiment. Again, I don't need these sentiments, so I think I'm just going to toss them. I need one of these pieces, or gold leaves. And then it looks like I need one of these. And let's see, it says you can either do best wishes, thinking of you. Let's do best wishes. Because that could be for anything, right? It could be birthday, it could be anniversary, congratulations even. Okay, let's put some. And then what else do I need? I need one of these pieces. All right, let's see. We've got our glue dots and our dimensionals. And we're going to add some dimensionals to the sentiment layer. Now, it's only telling me to put 3, but I'm going to do 4 or 5. Our glue dots. It's going to go on the gold leafing. And I decided to just use the glue dots that I've already started using rather than starting up new ones, but we'll just tuck those in this little plastic sleeve for next time. And same thing with the dimensionals. Just weird, I know. All right, okay. So we're just going to peel one of these off and place it right in the center there. Except I think I was supposed to put that on the front, not the back. But that. Oh well. Let me fold this up before I do anything else. Okay, get my bone folder. So seriously, you can get about 10 cards out of this, if not more. I'm sorry, not 10. You can get 10 cards. You can get 20 cards if you decide to cut them in half, the card bases. And you can probably get even more if you cut them down even further. So I'm going to lay this onto our die cut circle. And then we'll put the glue dots behind this. Reason being because you don't want to see through the vellum. You don't want to see the glue dots. So by doing it this way, I know where I need to put the glue dots so that they're hidden behind the sentiment that's on front. All right, let's put another glue dot on the front of the gold leaf because that's where I need it, so that I can stick that underneath the sentiment layer. Tuck that right back there again so you can't see the glue dots, and then we'll center this up. And that's our first card. Best wishes. Okay, let's go on to the next card. So this one's telling me to use this card base. So let's use our bone folder. Burnish that. Then it says to use thinking of you. So we're going to make it exactly like it's telling us. So of course, if you're a paper crafter already, making your own cards, you can certainly add to this by, what am I trying to say? You can add to this with your own cardstock, and you know, if you want to change up the sentiments, because obviously you're going to run out of sentiments. They've only got 10. So, but you can use your own stamps and your own dies, or punches, whatever you want to use. Okay, that's that. So this is telling me to use 2 of the gold leaves. Now I see that there's 2 different gold leaves. Did I use the wrong one over there? I probably did. That's all right. Okay, we're going to use these. I use one of those, one of these, and then 2 of the green ones. Okay, so let's see, we're going to add some glue dots on these pieces. And I love it. They even tell you where to add the glue dots. So I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to add some glue dots. So I was just thinking, when this video goes live, I'll actually be on an airplane flying back home from Las Vegas. We spent the week there with my nephew and his wife, and also my sister-in-law and her husband, and their kids. So hopefully it was nice. I'm sure it was. Probably a little bit warmer than New York. My husband loves to play poker, so it's nice that my nephew and his wife live out there so we can go visit them. And hopefully I will have also gotten to see my friend Tracy Travis, who's also a demonstrator. If you'd like to check out her channel, it's Stampin' Queen Bee on YouTube. She does videos every day. She's been sharing videos. She's amazing. She's got so much energy. I just wish I could bottle it up and get some from her. And she lives in the Las Vegas area. I think she lives in Henderson, Nevada, which isn't too far from Las Vegas. Of course, we're not even staying on the Strip. We're actually staying in northern Las Vegas by the Speedway. And I think the week that we're getting there, I think like they were supposed to be doing some sort of Formula One is what my husband was telling me. So that should be fun. Hopefully it doesn't affect us. Probably should have put this here to see if it looks okay. And it does. All right, so we can go probably right about, oh goodness, right about here with this one. Like so. Okay. That right about there. There you go. So there you go, friends. Very simple way to make cards. Didn't have to do any cutting or anything like that. The only cutting I did was having to cut the packaging open. But this made for simple card making. And sometimes you just need one of those where you can make very quick and easy cards. And they still look pretty, right? And we even have a nice pretty box to display them in. I think I'm like zoomed in or something. I guess I was pretty zoomed in. So there you go. Got our nice little box and our pretty cards to go in there. So if you have any questions or are interested in purchasing any of the products that I showed today, specifically the kit or any kits that I have in my online store, please reach out to me or visit my online store. You can find the link in the video description. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and come back next week for another video. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.